Okay, so hi, hello, bonsoir, salut tout le monde. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. So today I am back. I know it's been a long time. So I am back with another video for you guys. So I'm going to try to create a look that is prom appropriate. So I'm not sure it's that a thing. So if there's ever going to be a prom appropriate makeup, so that's what we're going to do today. So since this is prom season, graduation season, everybody's going to graduate, going to prom. Hey, so I hope you guys are doing well. Bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur channel là. So jeudi, moi pral essayer pour faire un petit vidéo, un petit make-up qui pousse prom, nous même qui en Haïti, qui va prendre qui ça qui prom là. So actually, prom c'est presque les moun a fait reto ou bien filo, les pral fini avec études classiques yo, et l'école là fait un petit fête. Et puis ou habillé bien belle. Juste pour me souvenir, en mémoire, pour photo, pour changer le grand, comment t'es habillé. And that's so, I don't know. So, par contre, qu'est-ce qu'on va faire jeudi? So, let's just see. Okay, so I'm getting off face to see. As you guys can see, my brows are done. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start by priming my face. So, primer m'a utilisé jeudi, so Tina Fenty Beauty. Okay, so ooh, too much. So this video is going to be like a mixed up of English and Creole because I'm not trying to do one video in Creole, one video in English, so it doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna just throw some Creole in there and then it be Anglais. So it's just going to be a mix up because I have a mixed audience. I can see you guys over in Brazil, Chile, Haiti, Canada. I have people in Warsaw. I was like, what? Okay, so for foundation, I am okay. So for foundation, m'a utilisé. Actually, this is long story short. So moi écrasé Smashbox foundation moyen. So I didn't wanna throw everything away. So moi mettais les dans petite bouteille ça qui sont on sérum que m't'a utilisé. So on va cacher l'autre bouteille pour mettre les. So mettre dans ça. So yes, so I had to save it. I couldn't throw it away. So that's $40. Smashbox L'Oreal True Match. Let's just do that quick. So I don't like using a lot of foundation. So I don't really like cakey face. You know, some people do like full coverage cakey. Like I like skin like a sheer glow. That's what I like. So yeah, my pomade en peel. Yeah, with a figure palette. Okay, so we have the foundation sinking in. So I think I'm gonna move on to the eyes while I let it sit there. Pour primer, on va utiliser ça. So today I think I'm going to use the Nubian by Juvia. Okay, so pour commencer, ma prends couleur ça. Yep, that's right, this one. And then let me finish my prendre ça. So it's going to be this one first. Et puis ça. And puis and we'll see. Because I'm not sure what exactly I'm doing today. Et puis ma prend this big little half medium fluffy brush to, you know. So I think I'm gonna go for half, maybe half cut kind of crease thing. So I'm not sure how this is going to work. So let's see. So as you can see, I am almost done. Camera is tripping. So yeah, caméra pas problème. La ple de femen, la ple de camera to show, you know, a lot of things. Camera is hitting. So let's see. So let me work you through what I've done so far. So as you can see, I've done with this eyes, and then I have so I did cut the cut crease, and also nan pati sa mette koule sa. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna use a black liner. I'm not gonna do like a big line. I'm just gonna line the lash line so I can apply the lash. So, you know, that's a little trick if you don't want your lash band to show. Lashes I'm using today is from Kiss Beauty. So now I am applying my full concealer to highlight my face. Kamera pa vle retrouvri, la ple de bon problem. So, mwen preske fin fè tout bagay yo off camera. So, mwen get a mette lipstick. So, lipstick ki mwen itilize, se ti nan kompare ki le Color Pop but c'est un featuring avec Hilary. Alright guys, so that's basically it. So c'est ça que pour nous aujourd'hui, guys. Si vous aimez la vidéo, please give it a thumbs up. And probably abonner avec channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also, before you subscribe, you can always check my old videos and see if you like my content. If not, you can just, yeah. So if you watch 2 videos, that means you probably like my content. So you probably like what I posted. So you might as well subscribe, okay? Just subscribe to the channel, okay? So yeah, abonner avec channel là, après fin regarder 2-3 vidéos dans old vidéo me poster, so toujours regarder toujours that mean. Ou même vidéo sans poster, so ka toujours abonner and then comment down below by video sound like si vous l'aimez. Merci, au revoir, on se retrouve pour un prochain vidéo.